Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to search Word in PDF in PC or laptop. First, we open the PDF from a browser. There, use the Ctrl+F keys to access the search box. There you can enter the desired word. On the side, you will see the number of matches for that word. Now you can use the arrows to select each of these words in the document. In addition to this, you can use the Adobe application. When you open it, again use the Ctrl+F keys. Enter the word, and the application will take care of showing suggestions. Click on the word you are looking for to see the number. Now you can use the direction arrows to highlight each related word. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.